Hi, this is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about IMATS, which is coming to New York this weekend. I'm so excited. And here's my my badge. So this is the bag that I got because I got the 2-day pass that included the HAULER bag. And I love the design. It's very sleek, very nice. I can carry it on my back. It has a zipper on top as well, so it's not like you're throwing everything into one slot. There is a side pocket, and there's also a little area where you can keep your headphone pieces so that it doesn't get mixed up in there. So that's nice. The minute I walked through the door, the staff was at the front door. They had clearly marked black shirts that said, you know, crew or staff with the IMATS, black and white. Very simple, very crisp, but they were identifiable. So that was helpful and fantastic, and they were everywhere. I didn't have to like search to look for a staff member in a sea of roving makeup enthusiasts. They were everywhere, so that was nice. And as soon as I came in, I felt welcomed. I was greeted warmly. People looked me in the eye. One person had, one of the staff had to come and say something, and she had to interrupt, and she said, you know, I'm so sorry, excuse me, at the ticket window, which I was like, impressed at, because sometimes people just talk over you and it doesn't matter whether you're buying something or not. You know, and I mean, I'm not coming especially from like a big major corporation coming in as a rep where I would expect red carpet service, but in that aspect I actually left, you know, went in feeling very good about coming into IMATS. It's my first experience and I was just beyond thrilled. So one of the things that I see in here is, oh, the Morphe 35M palette. I don't own anything from Morphe. This is my first thing to get from Morphe. Morphe had a line that went so far, and I'm just standing there going, I couldn't justify taking time out of my day to stand on a line that long. That's how long this line was. And it was one of the longer lines. I think Sigma maybe had the second longest line, but definitely Morphe. So I am beyond thrilled to finally be able to try something from Morphe. And this is called Boss Mood Artistry Palette. So I will definitely be featuring this in a future video in the near future. Let's see what else is in this bag. Oh, I have something from Too Faced, and this is Melted Matte. Too Faced was there as well. There were a lot of well-known companies, and there were some indie companies, and I really wanted to get in on the indie companies, but a lot of them had glitter, and I'm fine with glitter up to a point, but I also have a put-off thing about glitter, because in some cases, glitter is really hard to get. I still have glitter on my face from glitter eyeshadow that I was using the other day, and I'm like, so I was not all that, they looked beautiful, don't get me wrong, they looked simply gorgeous, but I just could not trust myself to go get it and then go, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be covered in glitter for days, what the heck am I gonna do? Because I have to go to work and I have to go to school. What am I gonna do? So the next thing I have here is from Alcone. Alcone was there too. I did not know they owned RCMA, the powder, but they do. And they included some sponges, which was very nice of them. These are professional makeup sponges, and this is a 8-wedge pack. These come in handy, you never know. From Line Prime was there too. The line was ridiculous. I could not get in. But, you know, I've just recently purchased like several of their palettes, so I'm gonna be fine for a while. But this is, they included in the package the Venus XS, extra small. This is so cute, and it's a 4. This is like a neutral. Oh, this you can wear anywhere. This is gorgeous. See those 4? Love it. Love it. The next thing I have here is from, oh my goodness, who's this? Micro Brow Tattoo Pen from Iconic Beauty. I think I've heard of that brand. I did pass their stall, but I just didn't have time to reach everything. That's why I have a 2-day pass, because I couldn't get to everybody. A lot of companies did show up. Oh, this is from Hourglass. And what is this? Caution. It's called Caution. Extreme Lash Mascara. Ooh, I gotta try that. I do like Hourglass, but I'll get into why I had a slight issue with Hourglass. Let's see. The next thing here is from Cosette. I liked what they had, and I wish I had more money to buy everything they had, because First of all, I love the name, sounds very French. And second of all, because they had some incredible colors that I was just salivating, and I was just like, I had to settle on 4 and just back up and walk away. But because this is a infinite eyeshadow, this looks more like something you could use as a base, and this one's called Relax. And within, we have the Makeup Artist magazine. Is she gorgeous or what? Oh my God. Okay, and I got this, but this was a little separated when I got it, so that has me kind of concerned because nothing should be separating. All this stuff should be fresh. This is from the company Curaira, K-U-R-A-I-R-A, and this is their Dermal Revitalizing Age Control Foundation. This may be a little too dark for me, but I'll make it work. The next thing on here is the eye contour. Okay, I'm trying to see what company this is. This is, it's called the Bold Dramatic Line Waterproof Long Lasting. Come on, guys, I gotta see the name. Is this the company name Sister or Sistar? Yes, Sistar, S-I-S-T-A-R. And I got a brush here from Sigma. I think this is my first Sigma brush too. A lot of firsts. This is their small angle brush, which will come in handy because I actually did need one. Moda was there, Royal and Langnickel. They were there. And of course I went and I said I need to find some. I just add to my collection every time I go to a beauty convention, and I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes just to add to my collection of what I find I need as my knowledge of makeup application gets a little more sophisticated. I start adding more brushes. The next thing on here is from Bdellium Tools. This is a matte lipstick. I have no idea. I've never heard of Bdellium Tools. And it's sealed, which is interesting. And this is in the shade, of Touch of Eden. Does that mean it's green? Because to me, Eden, I think of the garden, I think of greenery and nature and all that fun stuff. Here is the container. Very interesting. Very tool-like, almost like Black & Decker. Oh, that's a beautiful nude. Can you see that? It matches my skin tone practically. Look at that. I went purposefully with no makeup on today because I was expecting to just try on makeup or sit down and actually get my face done, which I may do tomorrow. Let me see. It doesn't have a scent, which is good. Look at this. I'm applying this without a lip liner, which is really not great. But that's how it looks. I practically look like I have a lip liner because this is actually way light for my skin tone, but I mean my lips. But it is pigmented that it covers. But it looks like I'm wearing a liner because that's my natural color below. Okay. Oh, and Bioderma was there. Bioderma, which I will use. They're a good company. Ooh, this is another. It's from the same company, Sistar, the Black & Decker colors, the black and yellow, and this is their Dazzle Lash. Can always use mascara. Can always use mascara. Let me see what it looks like inside, just for funsies. I'm sorry about the noise traffic out there. It is Saturday, and it's a gorgeous day in New York. So it was kind of hard to be indoors, but at the same time, I was indoors for something that I like, that I am interested in, so I didn't mind it that much. And this is how it looks like on the inside, the packaging. Let me see. So I'm always trying mascara because I'm always looking for the one that's gonna, I don't need length, I need curl. So let's see. Not much of a scent, which is good. And that's the brush. Almost looks like a very skinny pineapple. Maybe I should try it on for sakes. Ooh, you heard that little pop. Just gonna see how it looks there. Try this on. Yeah, so I saw people there in full makeup on, and I felt so naked. But at the same time, I'm going, well, what if I was trying on makeup or got, you know, a makeup demonstration? I didn't know. I didn't know what to expect. Oh, another one of these. See what I mean, how it separates? But this isn't a lighter color. You hear it? You have to shake it. So I'm glad. I mean, see what I mean? But it separates like that. That has me concerned as to why it would separate like that. Oh, again, the sound. It's a little concerning why it separates like that, but that's okay. I can definitely use it. Yay. And finally, last but certainly not least, I have something from a company called Meron. This is makeup. Meron makeup. This is called Skin Prep. Extends makeup wear, advanced moisture barrier, great for all skin types, trusted chemicals, trusted ingredients, made in the USA. So what does this do? It's a clear, fragrance-free liquid for use on all skin types prior to makeup application. Developed and used by industry professionals, it allows makeup to last longer under stressful conditions during an active day. Skin Prep Pro acts as a moisture barrier between the skin and your makeup to maintain that sought-after fresh finish. Even under the most extreme conditions, your skin feels fresh and continues to look great hour after hour. It's available in the 4-ounce, which is 120 milliliter bottle with anti-spill spout. Never heard of this company, but apparently they know their stuff about makeup. This girl is in full makeup there. So I guess it's to protect her so it doesn't further stain her skin, I'm assuming. Oh, wait, and one more thing, and this is from Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever had its own station, of course, just like it does in BeautyCon. But in this aspect, they didn't have rows upon where people were sitting at stations to get their makeup done. They had a few chairs out, similar to like almost like a mini classroom, like maybe 6 to 12 chairs, and you sat in them and you watched the demonstration. They had the founder, like I guess the head professor of the makeup school that they have. He was there and he was giving demonstrations on how to put on makeup and going by each step. So it was a half hour for each process of how to, you know, get your face ready, prep your face to, you know, basically erase all your definition. And then the next step is to put in the definition with contouring. And then obviously the final step would be to put on the rest of your makeup. So this is a Starlit Diamond Powder. In number 109. And this is what, that looks so golden to me. I have no idea what this powder does, but you see that? I don't think it has a smell, but it's very pretty. It also has that glittery thing. I just put a teensy bit on right there. I'm so sorry you can't see that, but it's there. Just basically getting to check out certain aspects of companies that I have never tried that wouldn't necessarily be in a drugstore. So to me, this was hugely informative. I had a great time, and I can't wait to see what tomorrow will bring. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be coming up. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.